Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Yep, we're back here at Audley, and it is such a beautiful location that we decided to film a couple videos here. So in this video, I'm going to discuss one thing you can do to help crush your underwriting projections. But before I jump into the video, if you found value or you find value in the content that Susie and I share with you on a regular basis, please go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when we release new content. All right, so this tip is very, very simple, but very important. And I know a lot of investors who don't do this. And that is simply keeping up with the market trends in the specific market and submarket where your property is located. The critical market trends you need to be aware of are rent premiums and occupancy rates. Oftentimes, during the acquisition process, you become intimately familiar with these trends. However, after closing and takeover, a lot of investors forget to keep up with the latest trends in their area, especially if they are continually changing markets and chasing their next acquisition. As an asset manager, you need to constantly network with other operators, brokers, and property managers in your market, and you need to revisit your comps on a monthly basis. Being in constant communication with these people will give you the insight into trends in your specific market and submarket. It might sound awesome that your property is at 100% occupancy, but guess what? If you're at 100% occupancy and the market has an average of 95% occupancy, then your rents are below market and it's time to bump those rents. So to wrap it up, keeping up to date with your market trends will ensure that you continue to bump rents when your market supports it. In turn, this will ensure that you crush your underwriting projections. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.